So in this video, we are going to discuss how you can create an account on crypto.com, and we will also discuss how you can create or use on-chain crypto wallet, which is a Web3 wallet for crypto.com. But in the end of this video, so to create a new account on crypto.com, simply download this application from the App Store or Play Store and then open it. You can see two options here, sign in and sign up. Simply click on sign up. Here you have to enter your email. Then you can click on have a referral code and enter this referral ID to get some free beginner rewards such as free crypto tokens. Click continue with email. For confirmation, you will receive a mail on this email and you have to click on continue. Mention the link in the mail. You can click open mail and then Gmail open. It will take some time and after that you will receive the mail. So here you can see that I have received my email here, and there's also option mentioned as login now. Click on it and you can use Chrome. You will be directed to the application by clicking on this allow option. Open. Next step is to verify your identity. Click on agree and continue and choose your employment status. I will choose student. Next. Then what's the purpose of your account? Trading. Next. Then it will take some time. The next important step, which is the verification process, will be started. Click on start. Then choose your country. I'll choose Pakistan, and there are two options by which you can verify your identity. I'll choose identity card, which is ID card, and here we have to give the access to the camera to share the front pic and the back pic of identity card issued by the government to show my residence and my identity. I will click on allow. This is the step where most beginners fail because they take random photo of their ID card and upload it, but you cannot complete verification in that way because there are some important instructions while capturing a photo of your identity card. Make sure every text and every letter is clearly visible. There will be no blur area or there will be no any reflection in the photo. Firstly, you have to capture the front and then you have to capture the back. And after uploading the photos of your ID card, then you have to confirm your face and you have to complete the face verification. And the instructions are still clear. The face must be evenly lit and stand out from the background. Hold device at eye level, and they might ask some task like open the eyes or nod your face, and you have to follow them so that they can check that the person is live in the front of camera. I will simply click on start and it just take two photos of my face and the uploading is successful now. The system is processing the document, and once it's completed, my verification will be approved. As you can see that there's also a pop-up and notification as our team is hard at work and reviewing your documents, and you will receive an email notification once it's done, and once it's completed I will continue the video again. As you can see that now the time is 5:28 a.m. So I will also show you how much time did it take to complete my verification and what's the estimated time that will be required to confirm your verification. And one thing more, this verification can also be failed if there is any blurriness or anything which is not clear in the verification. But I will continue the video again and guide you further about it. After 2 minutes, I have just received a mail as your verification is passed and you can continue your trading. So that's quite simple. I have just created my account in just 5 to 10 minutes, I think. Now tap anywhere. You will receive a verification code on your mobile number and you have to enter it here. Enter the code and your mobile number will also be verified, and here you can enter a passcode. Make sure to enter a difficult password and also remember it so that you can use it later when you want to enter in your account. And finally, your account is created. You can use all your options here like account, trade, then you have markets, card, and on homepage you can also click on the rewards section to get your free beginner rewards. And if you want a complete tutorial crypto.com withdrawal, you simply write a comment in the comment box. I will absolutely make a video on this topic as well if there are more than 20 requests in the comment section. And if you want to choose the on-chain wallet, which is crypto.com web3 wallet, this is an exchange which is centralized, where you have to give your identity, complete your verification. And this is on-chain wallet, which is completely decentralized, which means you only have to store 12 words and with no email verification, no phone number verification, no identity verification, because there is no supervision, there is no control on this wallet. This is completely decentralized. So if you want to use this one, simply click on it, and it will scan your face or scan your touch id, and your account will be created. That's quite simple. And if you want to complete the backup, simply store the 12 words. You can see in the settings of crypto.com on-chain wallet. So we have completely created .com account and crypto.com wallet on-chain account as well. So if you want a tutorial on withdrawal or cash out or any option you want to learn about these wallets, you can write a comment in the comment box. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button as well. Interested to join our premium service for instant withdrawal guides or cash out guides, you can DM on the WhatsApp, Telegram, or our website support contacts mentioned in the description. See you in the next video.